Kabake now finally inside. Anytime now. Race number 12, penultimate race here. Santa Ana Park. Away they go, my queen from the outside, rushing up is Damong Ligaw. Ferrari 1 moving up by the rail is entry number 1, Dream Supreme. It's now entry number 6, my queen by about 2 lengths, followed by Windy Wind by the rail. Kabake is racing in third. Damong Ligaw racing in fourth. Ice Storm, my wife knows all. Ferrari 1 on the further outside, and Dream Supreme is now running at the tail of the field. And inside the last 700, my queen by about 2 lengths. Kabake in second. My wife knows all is racing on the outside. Ferrari 1 also rushing up Damong Ligaw. Windy Wind, Ice Storm, and a long way back to Dream Supreme. Kabake, my wife knows all on the outside. Kabake, my wife knows all on the outside. And in between runners, Damong Ligaw, Ferrari 1. Kabake, my wife knows all on the outside. But still Kabake, my wife knows all on the outside. Moves up to take the lead, Damong Ligaw. And finally it's going to be Damong Ligaw. My wife knows all, Kabake. 2A, Ferrari 1.